Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Vlogmas. Today is Vlogmas day 4. Hold on. No. Today is Vlogmas day 5. Y'all, we have made it to Vlogmas day 5 and we are on a roll. I have been pushing out great content, so I think, and yeah, I'm not going to talk too much because I'm actually running late, but what else is new? Today is Sunday and we are going to take Christmas pictures. So yeah, today's not going to be a vlog per se. It's more so of a get ready with me. We're going to be doing my makeup, my hair, and I'm going to be showing you my outfit, even though you guys know or have seen the outfit if you watch my previous vlogs. And I'm also gonna do a fragrance, and then if we're not running too behind, then I might get some behind the scenes of like the actual photo shoot. It's currently 12:32. We have to get out the house at 12:30. So I'm about to stop talking and I'm about to just do my face. I'm not gonna really do too much because, like I said, I literally have an hour and I still have to put my hair on. Good thing I already curled it and stuff. But yeah, since I'm out of breath and I'm running late, I'm gonna just go ahead and get into today's video. So if you guys want to see the get ready with me for our Christmas pictures, make sure you guys keep on watching. Also, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe down below, hit the bell notification, thumbs this video up, and leave me some comments down below, and I'll see you in the next slide. this is the final makeup look. It's okay, I like it. It'll do for today. I don't know how I feel about the lips. I think I'll decide once I actually put my clothes and stuff on. But now I'm about to put my hair on. This is the wig. If you watch my previous videos, it's the same wig. I just blow dried it and added some wine curls just to make it a little bit more uniform. I think I actually like it better like that. And I'm about to install it. Whew. I'm out of breath. It's currently 1:28, so it took me about an hour to do my makeup. I had been finished, but you know how women are, like, we just gotta make sure everything is right. And yeah, so I'm about to do my hair. Whew. I've been having these braids in since my gender reveal, y'all, so it's been about 2 weeks since I had these braids in. And I just need to put, I'm going to glue this wig down because it does have a tendency to slide back because I don't have an elastic band on it. So I'm using the Erica J Hold Me Down glue. I need to re-up on it, but it ain't gonna happen today. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside. Alright y'all, so this is the final face and hair. The hair didn't take me long because it's a closure. All I did was put it on, glue it down, and do my baby hairs. And it's giving frontal. It's giving frontal, and that's basically how you make hair closures look like frontals, by giving it a good pluck. Laying it down real good, melting it, and giving it a few baby hairs, and boom, you have a 5x5 frontal. And then, like I said, I just blow dried the hair. I blow dried the hair and then gave it some wand curls, and I think this look looks way better than it did before. Before it was just so big and poofy. I might pass the hot comb over the top, but I'll see once I put my clothes on. So now that the makeup and the hair is completed, it is time to get dressed. So I'm gonna go put on my clothes, and I'm gonna be right back to show you guys the finished look, like the finished look. I'll be right back. Guys, so this is how everything is looking with the outfit together. The shirt, I made it. If you want to see how I made it, definitely check out my vlog before this. The pants are from Old Navy, which I did vlog, or I think Vlogmas Day 2 or 3, so definitely check those out. They'll be listed down below. But yeah, this is the outfit. I'm not wearing any shoes. This is the bump. It's not really that big, but I'm also not that far along either, so yeah. And then yeah guys, so this is how everything turned out. Hair, makeup, outfit. If you guys want to see like an in-depth video of how I actually wand curl this hair, I got it from like super curly to this, definitely leave me a comment down below. I think the shirts came out super cute. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think. For fragrance, I am going to be wearing my Black Girl Jane in Bahia. Smells so good. So yeah, this concludes today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I hope it was everything that you guys thought it would be. If you enjoyed this video, definitely leave me a comment down below. Give me a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe down to the channel, because like I said earlier, we are posting 25 days of content and we are only on day 5, honey.
My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it and Weezy F made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your Money Records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody said. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can go, leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my moves. 2,500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them youngins come and finish you. Lawyer being charged, he'll shoot it like a voodoo. Real dope boy, 100,000 in his Vizu. President's a 10 slide by, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like I'm from the 80s. Man, Dre about to drop, man, they gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a squeak, man, I'm caught from the pavement. $1 million, it make them go crazy. Wham, 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 on the baby.